normally on the eve of the elections, government is supposed to present an interim budget. But if you go through the budget, it appears that taking into account that elections are due, the government has presented a full-fledged budget yesterday. You can't go behind 3%. Now, if you go through these budget figures, the actual fiscal deficit for ending this year has been shown as 3.4%. That means though they had projected it less than 3, actual figure is 3.4%, which again breaches the FRBM Act. New budget which they have presented also shows fiscal deficit as 3.4% for the benefit of the farmers. A 6,000 rupees per year sort of a grant. They said that this money will be, it has been put with retrospective effect. If you have noticed, it shall come into effect from December 2018. That means they are entitled for getting 2,000 rupees by the end of 31st March 2019. Now, if you go to see the expectations from the farmers, that 6,000 appears to be nothing for them actually.